Episode 1. What is aquatic science?
This is the Earth. When looking at it from outer space, we look rather blue. This is due to the abundance of water found on the Earth's surface. In fact, about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Most of that comes from our oceans, such as the Pacific, our biggest ocean, which is pictured here. Water also exists in rivers and lakes, glaciers and ice caps, under the Earth's surface in aquifers, and also as water vapor in our atmosphere, all of which is imperative for life to exist on our planet. We will cover all of these concepts and more this semester in Aquatic Science. As previously mentioned, water covers a majority of our planet. We can separate surface water into a few major types of freshwater, saltwater, or brackish. Saltwater or marine ecosystems include all 5 of our oceans. These are the Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Southern, and Indian Oceans. Freshwater would include all of the lakes, rivers, ponds, and streams. There are over 150 major rivers and millions of lakes scattered across every continent on the planet. Lastly, we have our brackish ecosystems, where fresh and saltwater meet, the largest and closest in the United States being the Chesapeake Bay.
Why is water important?
Well, for starters, we need it to survive. Humans have been using water for centuries in order to use for residential purposes, industry, agriculture, or energy resources. Humans use water every day for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. However, the number one use of water in the home comes from flushing the toilet. The number one use of water worldwide is irrigation, or watering plants or crops. This is because all plants and animals require water to survive as well. Surface water also provides habitats and food for a variety of organisms all over the world.
Where is the water?
As you know, most of our planet is water. However, most of that water isn't usable for human consumption. That's because 97% of the water on the planet is ocean water, leaving only 3% fresh. Of that fresh water, over 68% of it is frozen in glaciers or ice caps. 30% of it is stored underground, and only 0.3% of fresh water is found on the surface. Fresh water is also not equally distributed amongst the continents. While here in the United States, we can turn on a faucet or a water fountain and expect water to come out. However, other areas of the world have depleted much of their water sources available to them. This could be from overuse, poor management, political corruption, war, drought, climate change, or pollution. Sanitation and access to safe drinking water are problems in many countries, including our own. It is critical to understand and protect the water available to us in order for our species to survive. In this course, you will dive in and get a better understanding of the chemical and physical aspects of water, how it moves throughout the planet, and why it is so important for all living things.